Bonjour Paris! Take notes for these essential travel tips for France trips. Today we're taking a virtual trip to one of my favorite cities in the world, Paris. From navigating public transport like a pro to finding the best hidden gems, we'll cover it all. So if you're ready to turn your Parisian dreams into reality, keep watching.
Paris offers a smorgasbord of transportation options, each with its own charm. For those who love to soak in the sights and sounds of the city, walking is your best bet. Get lost in charming alleyways and soak up the Parisian atmosphere. If you're short on time or prefer a faster pace, the Paris Metro is your new best friend. It's efficient, affordable, and covers the entire city. Download the RATP app on your phone. Thanks to your eSIM, you're already connected, and you'll be navigating the metro like a pro in no time. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not rent a Velib bike and channel your inner Parisian? Just remember to brush up on your hand signals.
Remember those days of struggling with paper maps and trying to decipher street signs in a foreign language? Yeah, those days are long gone, my friends. First things first, Google Maps is your new best friend. It'll show you the quickest routes, provide real-time traffic updates, and even help you find nearby restaurants, cafes, and attractions. Citymapper is another fantastic app that's a lifesaver for navigating public transportation. It'll show you all the possible routes, including metro, bus, tram, and even walking directions. And because you have your trusty eSIM, you can access these apps anytime, anywhere, without worrying about data roaming charges. Sometimes you just want to sit back, relax, and let someone else do the driving, right? That's where ride-sharing apps like Uber and Bolt come in handy. They're widely available in Paris and offer a convenient and often affordable way to get around, especially for those late-night adventures or when your feet need a break from all the walking. With your eSIM, you can easily book a ride, track your driver's location, and even pay for your trip, all through the app. So whether you're heading to a romantic dinner in Montmartre or exploring the charming streets of Le Marais, let your eSIM and a ride-sharing app be your Parisian chauffeurs.
Paris isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a feast for the stomach too. Get ready to indulge in culinary delights that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. From buttery croissants and crusty baguettes to delicate pastries and rich cheeses, Paris is a paradise for food lovers. Start your day the Parisian way with a café au lait and a freshly baked croissant at a local boulangerie. For lunch, grab a baguette sandwich from a street vendor, or indulge in a classic croque monsieur at a charming cafe.
Paris is a city that seamlessly blends iconic landmarks with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Of course, no trip to Paris would be complete without a visit to the Eiffel Tower. Ascend to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, or simply marvel at its grandeur from below. Another must-see is the Louvre Museum, home to countless masterpieces, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa. For a taste of Parisian royalty, head to the Palace of Versailles, the opulent former residence of French monarchs. But beyond the iconic landmarks, Paris is brimming with hidden gems waiting to be unearthed.
Paris is a city that draws visitors from far and wide, so it's no stranger to crowds, especially during peak season. One of the best ways to avoid the crowds is to visit popular attractions early in the morning or later in the afternoon. The Eiffel Tower, for instance, is often less crowded before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. Another tip is to explore beyond the beaten path. Venture into charming neighborhoods like Le Marais, Montmartre, or the Latin Quarter, where you'll find quaint cafes, unique boutiques, and a more local vibe. And if you're looking for a truly serene Parisian experience, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall.
Paris is a culinary paradise, but with so many incredible options, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Embrace the art of the apéro. This beloved Parisian tradition involves gathering with friends or loved ones for pre-dinner drinks and snacks. Head to a local wine bar or cafe and savor a glass of French wine or a refreshing cocktail accompanied by charcuterie, cheese, or other small bites. For a truly authentic Parisian experience, seek out traditional bistros that serve classic French dishes like steak frites, coq au vin, and crème brûlée.
And there you have it, my friends. your guide to an unforgettable first trip to Paris. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, culinary delights to cultural experiences, Paris has something to captivate every traveler. Remember to embrace the Parisian art de vivre, savor every moment, and don't be afraid to get lost in the city's charm. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book that flight, and get ready to fall in love with the City of Lights. Au revoir for now, and bon voyage!